We'll guide you through how to compare Mailchimp and Constant Contact to help you decide which one suits your needs best. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp website. Once there, take a look at the features they offer. Mailchimp is known for its robust automation capabilities, which are great for businesses looking to streamline their email marketing efforts. You'll find tools for creating email campaigns, segmenting your audience, and analyzing performance metrics. Pay attention to their range of integrations with other apps and services, which can be a deciding factor if you're using other marketing tools. Now, head over to Constant Contact's website. Constant Contact is praised for its user-friendly interface, especially beneficial for beginners. It offers a variety of customizable templates and an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, making it easy to create visually appealing emails. Check out their event management tools if you frequently host webinars or other events, as these can be very handy for keeping everything organized. Both platforms offer detailed analytics, but Mailchimp tends to have more advanced reporting features. If budget is a concern, compare their pricing plans. Mailchimp offers a free tier with basic features, while Constant Contact usually provides a free trial followed by paid plans. Consider what level of customer support you need. Constant Contact is known for its excellent customer service, providing support via phone, chat, and email. Mailchimp offers support through email and chat, which might be a factor if you prefer phone assistance. Evaluate your specific needs, such as automation, integration, ease of use, and customer support, to determine which platform aligns better with your business strategy. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.